we have here the flexibility we are trying to take it. The flexibility not only on the value, we're also going for the key and value. Mainly it is useful whenever you are working with the dictionary kind of thing. And mostly down the line, we are going to work with the dictionary kind of things only we are going to work with. A dictionary is nothing but a key and value pair. So now we are seeing here key 1 and what is this? 10 is a value. Key 2 and 20 is a value. And overall, whatever we are creating here, this is called as one dictionary, technically. In this dictionary, what are the keys are available, you can go and you can see it. What are the values are available, you can go and you can see it. So this is a dictionary. Dictionary I am going to explain more better in the dictionary chapter. And dictionary nowadays has lot of advantages. If you go and try to observe some of the databases, let us say we are going for one of the database which has good market. Let's say MongoDB, we are trying to take it. Okay, in the MongoDB, let us say select query I am taking. MongoDB select query. Okay, if you are trying to query the documents here, if you go and try to query the documents here, you can observe what is this item is called as now key. What is generally is called as now value. What is the quantity is called as now key. 25 is called as what? Value. What is size is called as key. Inside the key, again in the place of the value, we provide one more dictionary. You know, in the MongoDB, there is no join concept. There is no join concept. We are able to manage without joins because of the nested dictionaries. Everyone very familiar with the data. The data is called as EMP data, right? Everyone very familiar with the data that is called as EMP data. If you give a chance to me, I need to produce the EMP data, I will be producing like this. So I will be giving the key name as EMP number and the value for the EMP number is 101. Then next is ename is a key. Ename is a key and value for this one we are going to provide as let us say ROM. And next we are trying to provide here that is called as let us say DEPT number. For example, DEPT number is equal to we need to provide here. Before providing DEPT number readily, what we are going to do is we will say DEPT this is, and internally we will not pass the value, we will pass one more dictionary. In the dictionary, we are going to have DEPT number is equal to 10, and this DEPT number 10 corresponding value is we are saying as dname. The dname is equal to let us say HR, and then we are going to say as location then is equal location we have here the location is equal to let us say Hyderabad, something like that we are going to write it. So this is a nested dictionary. So tomorrow if I want any information, I need not join the EMP and DP table. Why? Because EMP and DPT both are available where? In single dictionary, right? Yeah. So that's what MongoDB these things as no joins. Everything whatever you are looking available in the collection only available. Generally it is called as technically collection. Technically MongoDB is called as what? Collection. Collection is nothing but general terminology, it's a table. So overall, what I want to say is the importance of the key and value I am trying to explain here. The keys and values are nothing but called as dictionary shape. This is used in the MongoDB and JSON files. Mostly the server side pushing the data and pulling the data will happens in the JSON file format. The JSON file format is nothing but keys and value format. For example, if you take here, we are using one of the application which is known as Qualtrics. Let us say Qualtrics response export, let us say. Okay, Qualtrics is a something feedback kind of portal. Okay, in the healthcare people, they may be knowing it already because majorly it is using in the healthcare industry. If you see in the bottom some response, whatever we have it, what shape it is available, what is this? Key. And inside this one it is a nested dictionary. It is a key and what is this? Value. So the JSON file will have whatever post you are doing, that will be having here keys and value pairs. Getting my point? If you want to see JSON file structure directly, you can go and you can see the JSON file. Then you'll observe some of the images, then you'll be able to realize what it is exactly. So now see here, what is this? Users is a key. Then internally it is passing here a set of values. Then we have the name and age, name and age, name and age. How many records are passing? 3 records are passing. That's what square brackets also we open. If it is only one record, then square brackets are not needed. A set of records are passing, so square brackets also we needed because it's set of things. More about this, we come to understand down the line. What I want to say is the dictionary is very important with respect to the JSON files, with respect to the NoSQL database storage also. MongoDB is a NoSQL database storage. It's unlike Oracle, SQL Server, SQLite, MySQL, Teradata. Those all things are SQL supporting, right? This is NoSQL. NoSQL means what? Not only SQL. It supports SQL. It supports any other language also. Suppose some Java program you want to write and you want to get it done. You can go and you can write it. The reason whenever you see this one, they used to provide here different language things they are providing it. See here, Mongo shell, how to write the query. What is available in Python? How to write the query? This is what in the Python, how to write the query. In the Java, how to write the query. In the Node.js, how to write it. In the PHP, how to write it. In the like this, how many languages we have it? That many languages they are trying to provide here query styles. That means what? Not only SQL, you can go and you can utilize any language. You can go and you can utilize it. Are you getting my point? Okay. Now, the dictionary we are trying to use down the line more effectively. At this point of time, double star meaning here, two things are there here. What are the two things important? Key, and second is what? Value. We are making two things flexible. One, we are making key as a flexible. Second, we are making value as a flexible. That's what we have here, two stars. KWR. K stands for key, W stands for value. Okay, don't ask me why it is. W means value here. Now, for student key and student name, we are saying as dot items. This dot items will return two values as output. That's what two values we given here. Then we are trying to print here student key and student name. As you pass here flexibility, here how many students I am passing? 4 students. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it 4 is fixed or I can pass any number of students? I can pass any number of students, I can pass it. For example, we are executing this, then we are trying to execute here, we are able to see student 1, Ram, student 2, John, like that is printed. For example, I am writing here one more student also I am writing. Let's say student number, student 5, and the student is equal to, let's say we are saying as like this. Now we are able to see student 5 is equal to entry, we are seeing it, right? Okay, something like that we can pass here n number of values, you can pass it. That's what the key as well as value flexibility. Please try to this lab and you'll able to understand it.